everybody, it is Tuesday 23rd of April and it is 9:45. This has got to be a record for us. We stayed the night here at this, well, it's quite a large car park and the view isn't too bad. This car has just turned up like 2 minutes ago and the family have got out and they've gone to the beach just there to throw stones in the lake like everybody has done. But last night was very peaceful. I think the only thing I could really hear were owls, which has got to be a good thing. Throughout the day though, when we arrived, it was busy. You got cars coming in and coming out and just doing a turny turn and going out again. I think a lot of people use it to do a U-turn to go back down towards in the same direction they just come from. But once the last person left, it was just peaceful. It's amazing. And this road here is quite fast, even though it's such a small road. Typical example. Wow. That's one of the fast ones. But yeah, they're nutters. Anyway, we came from that direction, which is the south. We're going to be heading in that direction, which is the north. And it goes around the reservoir and it goes past a few walks in our book. And we're going to head off very shortly and see if we can do one of those walks before lunch and then head out of the Brecon Beacons towards back into England to Wolverley. Well, that's what our destination is. That's where we're going to be having our Canada reunion. But we're heading in kind of that direction. Malvern Hills, I think that's where we're going to be stopping next. That was our plan last night, but you know, plans get scuppered. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So we've arrived at our walk. It's number 1 in our book, which means it's one of the easiest, probably the easiest. Blaen Y Glyn, 1 hour it should take us, and it's full of waterfalls and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully it's going to be quite spectacular. And I think we may have actually come here before, although I don't remember anything just yet. Right, so the easiest walk in the book, and we got lost. We've arrived at the wrong car park, so we just need to go a bit further down, and then be at the right destination. But this path here, which we thought was our walk, it was pleasant, but it kind of ends in some rough terrain, doesn't it? Yeah, it just ends in muddy and. But anyway, we're going to get back into Herman. Go about half a mile down the road to the right car park this time. I think we're on the right trail now. There's plenty of waterfalls, but they're all down there. And I think our walk is going to take us in that direction and lead us back down where the river is and all the waterfalls. So this is, and I'm going to completely ruin the pronunciation, this is Caerfanell Falls. Caerfanell Falls. Now, we've definitely been here before. I totally remember. Do you remember?
I do remember.
And we remember some people, like a group of
yeah, with all their wet
guilt walkers. Guilt walkers? Fell walkers? River walkers.
They kind of dropped.
Yeah, they were bathing in the actual fall there. Bathing is probably the. But yeah, I think this is probably one of the only things we do really remember about going back to the Brecons, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't remember a lot, do we?
No. Some glorious countryside though, some views. And we can walk up there as well to see somebody, so we can keep a view from top down here. So we might do that.
Yeah.
Might do that, yeah. Just over there is the edge of the waterfall. There's it. Boom, 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 boom. Hi folks, we moved on from the Brecon Beacons and now we're in a BritStops not too far away from Great Malvern. The BritStops code is WM6. It is actually the pub is over 400 years old. That is incredible, isn't it? We've actually stopped in their overflow car park right next to this busy road here, which hopefully that will be nice and quiet come the evening, but right next door to the pub is a castle. As you can see, it's quite a large castle, maybe not the kind of castle that we normally like to view, but it is a castle nonetheless. Anyway, give it a few minutes and we're going to be popping into that pub and getting some beer and some food. So there's Herman over there. That's how close we are in the pub. What are you eating there?
I'm having beef lasagna with chips and salad, homemade.
Yeah.
Has got, is that homemade chilli?
Homemade chilli and 50-50 rice and chips.
Yes. I think it did say you could have it hotter as well, didn't it?
Oh, I could have had it hotter. I should have had it hotter.
It's not hot enough for you.
Well, it's okay. Very good though.
I suppose you never know how hot it's going to be to start with, do you? So
no, that's right. How was your lasagna?
I don't normally.
It's very cheesy.
Very cheesy, but I thought because it's homemade, I thought I'm going to. It's always better, isn't it?
Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.